create a watch face you love and share it with a friend who'll love it too. Here's how in watchOS 7. We'll show you how to customize a watch face and then share a watch face through messages. First, let's edit a watch face to give it a new look. Touch and hold your watch face. Then swipe left or right to find the face you'd like to customize. And then tap Edit. Each watch face has its own set of features you can customize. We're going to change the color scheme, but you can swipe left to see what other features are available to change on your watch face. Turn the digital crown to scroll through your options, and stop turning it when you find something you like. Next, we'll edit complications, which display additional information and actions on your watch face. Swipe left all the way to the end, and tap a complication to select it. Now, turn the digital crown, and tap to choose a new one. Complications pull information from apps, and some apps have a few complications. For example, you can add the daily conditions and air quality index from weather to view both on your watch face. Press the digital crown to save your changes when you're done. Then, tap the watch face to set it as your current face. Once you create a face, you can share it with a friend so they can use it too. Touch and hold your watch face again, and tap the Share button. Then tap Add Contact, and tap to select a friend. Next, tap Create Message. Choose an option, then scroll down and tap Send. If your friend's Apple Watch is using watchOS 7 or later, they will receive a message and can install the watch face and associated apps from there.